So the assignment was to create a log Ingestor system and a query interface to see the logs. So it should be the log Ingestor system should be working on 3000, and this is a basic format. So the couple of requirements and all the fields, filters and all. Okay, so let's see a demo. So I have pushed in the repo. Let's clone it and then let's set up the environment also. So git clone. So once it's cloned, I can actually go to the number, let's say, and then first step is I have provided the readme. So if you see, so basically in the master branch there is two readmes are there. So in the main branch there is one. So first step is to copy the environment variables. So let's see, and then a Docker compose. So by the way, and by the time it will run, I'll show the architecture. So the idea is like there will be let's say 3 workers are there, and then they are behind the Nginx proxy. So the user will be querying the Nginx. This is act like a load balancer, and then the request will be routed to any of the servers. The data is stored in Elasticsearch. So all these Nginx servers, everything is set up using Dockers, and then it's a multi-container system. That's why Docker Compose. Okay, so it's up and running. So now we need to the another instruction. I can refer back to the readme. So we just need to cd to the CLI format, CLI folder, and then execute couple of commands. So basically it's a Python script. So first I just need to create an environment, and then activating the environment, and then installing the requirements. So basically my interface system is CLI. So pip install requirements. I'm just exactly copy pasting the things from the readme. That's nothing much. Okay, so now I'm in, and then I can actually start. First of all, I need to ingest some data. So I created a script to ingest the data. So this is like basic script. It will by default ingest 10 records. If I want to do more records, then I just need to pass the number of records. For example, let's do 100. So then first it will generate, and then see every time if you see the container ID will be different. That means I have 3 containers. So the every request is routed to one of the containers via the Nginx. So now the things are actually set up. Okay, fine. So now let's query something. So basic search without any filters, you can just do something like uh, it will actually see, it will give you some basic information. See in the bottom it is saying the total 100 hits are there and 10 pages are there. I mean I paginated. If I want to see the next page, I just need to provide, let's say, dash 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 page, and then the second page. That's it. So it will actually give you the next set of page. Data. If I want more data to be in a page, I can have a page size. Page size is equal to, or page size is equal to, let's say, 20. So now it will actually give more data. Suppose now I wanted to actually filter the logs. Now there is no filtering, everything like warning, error, it's mixed up. Suppose I want to filter only the error logs, then just filter error. So now everything will be filtered, and I can even paginate also. So let's say now suppose let's say I want to say fail to connect. There is actually a mistake in the readme. I forgot about it. So let's say fail to connect, but here the fail to connect, it's sort of like a fuzzy search only. It's not exact search. That's one of the limitation in my system. Anyway, so if I want to particularly resource ID 1234, I think I haven't created any resource ID 1234. What I can do is actually I can create one with explicit resource ID, or I can just take one resource ID from here. So instead of 1234, let's say resource ID is equal to 5458. 54, because it's all random. That's why 1234 is not there. So yeah, 5458 is there. So I was able to precisely get that one thing. And now the one bonus feature was like the date range. So here I have some dates like 11, 26, 24. Suppose I want to be, the date should be between 10 and 15. I just need to provide start date and end. So now everything will be like 15, 15, 15, and then finally 10. So I sorted them in uh, the decreasing order. So there are total 7 hits are there. That's it. Alright. Now suppose if I want to combine some I haven't added that to the readme, but it is possible also. For example, let's say I want to see uh, this between them, but the level should be error, something like that. Maybe let's say error. Okay. So now it filters, it actually combines the filters and then do the filtering only. So that's it. If I my Docker containers are running here like Docker ps, so 4 containers, one nginx proxy, that's a load balancer, and then 3 workers are there. So these are like all the workers, 301, 3001, 2 and 3, and then I have this Kibana I just did for that visualization purpose. I can go to the Kibana portal to see exactly how data is there, like 5601, and then Elasticsearch is like the database I use. So dev tools, like I can even query, basically here also I can get the query in every like the Kibana dashboard itself. And to stop the containers, I just need to say docker compose down, so it will actually bring down all the containers. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.